My name is Zairah. My matrix number is CE2K51. I'm going to present the introduction and objectives of this project. As we all know, electromagnetic waves are produced by the motion of electrically charged particles, and it also generates the radiation. So this radiation, the example is such as the radio wave, microwave, X-rays, and gamma rays, which we can find all of these easily around us. Okay, we as a consumers of the smartphone, laptop, and we also use Wi-Fi on our daily life, we should really aware that this can be really hazardous and dangerous to human health and also environment. So we as a group 4, we take an initiative to design the innovative device that can monitor and sense the radiation of the electromagnetic radiation on human beings, which is, I think, it will be really useful and benefits to us all. Thus, we are using the wireless sensor network, which is, we know that it can monitor and sense the influence of electromagnetic pollutions on human. Objectives of our project: first, we want to analyze the effects of electromagnetic radiation on the health of the human body. Next, to design a special device that can sense and monitor the electromagnetic radiation when it reaches a certain frequency. Lastly, to establish awareness by a warning device when it detects electromagnetic radiation that can be harmful to the human body.
Hi doctor, my name is Nazreen bin Norhisham. My matrix number is DE190138. So right now I'm gonna present to you about our group project problem statement. So this is our problem statement. Electromagnetic radiation effects due to cellular Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technologies. So we have two phases right here, which is the first phases is short-term EMF head effects, and then the second one is long-term EMF head effects. So for the first one, short-term EMF head effect, it can cause headache, tingling or burning sensation, ache and pains, decreased sperm motility, and trouble sleeping. And then the second phases is long-term EMF head effect, which is it can cause brain tumors, mental illness, cognitive and behavioral disorders, immune disorders, cancers, bloods, breast, and more. And then next for our proper solution. So in order to curb all this negative impact is by designing a wireless sensor network WSN device. This device is intended to monitor electromagnetic pollution and report any power level violations by determining the network master's energy threshold. And then next for our expected outcome is to detect EM pollution and send a report or warning of any power violation levels into the users. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zuhairi bin Zulkifli. So today I will present about theory and concept. EMR is categorized into two types, ionizing and non-ionizing. About 60% of human body is of water. Based on whether incoming radiation is high enough to break the chemical bond of water or not, it is categorized as ionizing radiation if it can break the bonds, and as non-ionizing radiation if it not stable too. Several classes of electromagnetic wave are classified as non-ionizing and ionizing radiation. The frequency we are interested in radio frequencies fall in category of non-ionizing radiation. Some of the most common electronic or IoT devices which people use today, such as mobile phone, smartphone, laptop, wireless speakers and headphone, and smartwatch, all communicate using radio frequencies. Broadly, they can be categorized into devices which use cellular, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth technology. This kind of this effect varies the power of radiation, distance of radiation source, and the kind of device, the type of antenna used in the device, the modulation technique used in the communication, and duration of exposure. Electromagnetic radiation in the frequency range to 20 kHz until 300 GHz is referred to as radio frequencies. Most common in use communication service such as FM radio, television, broadcast, satellite, cellular, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth are lies in this frequency range. Okay, next, in the case of RF electromagnetic radiation, the quantity to be measured is power density in unit of microwatt over meter square. Okay, firstly, no concern. This category ensure that the radiation level are safe and will not cause any health hazard. The radiation level in upper range is category signify the background radiation level of our modern living environment. And next, slight concern. This is precautionary category as radiation level categorized under slight concern can affect sensitive population like pregnant women, small children, and unhealthy people. And third is several concern. The radiation value coming under this category are tagged as unacceptable from the point of view of building biology, and they must be addressed. This value are unnatural for human being. Chronic exposure to this radiation level can show the seed of future health disease. And the lastly is extreme concern. The value categorized under extreme concern require an intermediate attention and swift correction. Short-term exposure to radiation under this category will cause problems like headache, nausea, dizziness, while long-term exposure can lead to more serious disease. Okay, next, this is the calculation to measure the effect of EM radiation to our body. Firstly, the specific absorption rate SARS used as indicator of EM radiation. Second, whole body average specific absorption rate. And the third is organ specific average specific absorption rate. And lastly, the skin depth is useful in calculating the SC resistance due to skin effect.
So my name is Amira Natasha binti Zairol. My metric number is CE 2054, and I will explain about conclusion and solution. First is conclusion is about most of people not aware of variation precautionary measure. So we such as electromagnetic is quite dangerous for humans. So they should take to protect themselves from this harmful radiation. So our first solution is we create the device to develop the algorithm that will allow us to minimize network lifetime while monitoring EM pollution. And second is to ensure that the device can reduce the electromagnetic radiation from harming human health and the environment. And third solution is we also encourage the innovative wire solution which provide the same level of user friendliness. That's all. Thank you.
For the solution, we will create the wireless sensor network for monitoring electromagnetic radiation. Okay, this is our circuit. The component that we use in this circuit is Arduino Nano, LCD, buzzer, 9-volt power supply, resistor, LED, and antenna. The working principle of this circuit is the antenna will detect the several radiation that we have set in the programming. When the antenna detect several frequency that can harm to human body, the LED will turn on and also buzzer with alarm. Okay, for the coding we use Arduino IDE. Okay, this is our programming. We declare the parameter and then we declare the operation. For the circuit, we do simulation in practice at professional and still in progressing. That's all from me.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Vignan. So I'll explain on the process and application of wireless sensor network. So the wireless sensor network will monitor the electromagnetic pollution by measuring the signal power levels in every cycle. So the sensor will send message to the network master. So the technique that wireless sensor network uses is called Watchdog Technique. So the network master monitors the power levels and frequency band in different level. Each band assigned with number of sensors. Sensors will send the data to the network master. So the process of the network master operates by receiving data from active nodes. Active nodes will sense declare the life or danger. So in life mode, the sensor sends the node's power in the environment if there's no violations. So it indicates the network master it is live. So it's similar for the danger mode. If it's energy over consumption, it will send data danger to the network master. So that's all from me. Thank you.